Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss generic or void pointer in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, a void pointer is a pointer that has no associated data type with it, so that it can point to object of any type. A void pointer can hold address of any type and can be typecasted to any type, and it is also known as generic pointer. So guys, now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of generic or void pointer. This is the syntax of void or generic pointer, and here we will use void data type and then asterisk, and after that we will use pointer name, and at the end we will put semicolon, and this is an example of void or generic pointer. So now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, in this program, I have declared an integer variable n and I have assigned 10 to n. And I have also declared a generic or void pointer p here, and I have assigned the address of n to p. So guys, as I told you earlier, a void or generic pointer is a pointer that has no associated data type with it. So it can point to object of any type. So here this pointer p is basically pointing to an integer variable. So guys, in generic or void pointer, dereferencing is not allowed. So guys, now if I run this program, it will give an error. So guys, in generic or void pointer, dereferencing is not allowed. So we need to typecast this pointer into integer type. So let's do this. Now guys, it will first typecast this pointer to the integer type, and then it will dereference. So guys, now if I run this program, it will give you the 10 as output. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys. Now guys, we are going to discuss use of void or generic pointer. So let's go ahead. Guys, the malloc and calloc functions return void pointer type, and due to this, these functions are used to allocate memory of any data type just because of void pointer. And void pointers are used to implement generic functions in C programming. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss what is dereferencing. Guys, dereferencing is the process of retrieving data from memory location pointed by a pointer. So guys, now let's go ahead and we'll discuss how to dereference a void pointer. So let's go ahead. Guys, while dereferencing a void pointer, the C compiler does not have any clue about type of value pointed by the void pointer. Hence, dereferencing a void pointer is illegal in C programming, but a pointer will become useless if you cannot dereference it back. So to dereference a void pointer, you must typecast it to a valid pointer type. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss void pointer arithmetic. So the void pointer arithmetic is illegal in C programming due to the absence of data type. However, some compiler supports void pointer arithmetic by assuming it as a char pointer. So to perform pointer arithmetic on void pointer, you must first typecast to other type. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.